Is the increasing use of legal technology by in-house lawyers a threat or an opportunity to existing law firms? Hello, this is Simran Katani, and today I will be discussing how legal tech has changed the law industry and how existing law firms face a threat from in-house lawyers. So the rise of legal technology has dispersed through the legal industry, and this has benefited and challenged both private law firms and corporations. The COVID pandemic has furthered the importance of legal technology with a greater shift to agile working conditions. This demonstrates the reach of technology. Without a certain level of adaptation, existing law firms will lose their market share to companies that have a more efficient and tech-savvy in-house legal team. So the increasing use of legal tech, it poses a substantial threat to law firms unless law firms also take the opportunity to innovate towards this changing market. So the ways that legal tech may pose a substantial threat to law firms, well, electronic documents and algorithms help lawyers find documents with certain information a lot faster than searching for them manually. Lawyers can buy and sell this expertise in designing the templates for contracts, automatic contract production using tech. So this prospect of standardization is a significant threat to law firms. Technology squeezes the profit from transactional work and litigation by substantially cutting the billable hours of junior lawyers and replacing this with automation. So larger corporations have been quick to adapt to this style of working because it's easy to incorporate this into standard practice. Corporations produce data as a byproduct of their activities often, so they often have scale economies in purchasing this computing power. An example is Cisco. This company has reduced their legal costs through using technology, streamlining their legal processing, so they no longer need to rely on external legal advisors. So these investments in tech by these corporations, there's an incentive because it minimizes costs for corporations. So in-house legal teams are willing to try these new methods of working. On the other hand, law firms are slower to adapt to this new way of working as they are unlikely to have the same scale of economies of scale and access to data. So the move to legal tech threatens the whole business model of law firms who rely on providing customized and personal advice to individual clients. They are far less likely to take transformative steps towards technology because it will reduce their own competitive advantage of having legal expertise. But clients want companies who are offering the same legal services but without the same billable hours. So as a result, private law firms are losing business to in-house legal teams. A report in 2017 showed that 23% of large firms and 21% of mid-sized firms had lost work to a big four firm, a corporation. This threat from in-house legal departments is evident. However, law firms can use this as an opportunity. There are various potential strategies for law firms in the face of increasing legal tech. They could reinvent themselves as a legal technology organisation and develop its own legal tech and have specialists who solely use these products when advising clients. They could alternatively spin off a subsidiary and develop disruptive products through this. This would mean less competition from other law firms and a greater ease in recruiting new clients looking for innovative solutions. This has been done at Clifford Chance and Linklaters, who have given legal tech development as much autonomy as possible from the rest of their firms without necessarily making it a separate entity. So even without significant market reinvention, the opportunity still allows law firms to focus on less menial aspects of their roles, which require more human expertise than automation could offer. Firms like Slawsham may have used error spotting software called Luminance to improve the service they offer to clients. Remote law firm Keystone has profited from legal tech by enabling lawyers to work from any location, thereby expanding the firm's reach and the potential to grow. So if law firms adopt this legal tech into a more client-centric strategy, it can allow them to become more competitive and retain their market share against in-house legal departments. So the increasing use of legal technology does threaten current law firms who profit from significant billable hours of document reviewing and research. However, law firms should rise to this challenge with the same determination as the in-house legal departments have. There is an opportunity in legal tech, but law firms' business strategy must adapt to embrace rather than to shy from this prospect.